In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or need a quick refresher, this guide will help you communicate effectively with your colleagues and teams within moments. First, let's get started with signing into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already done so, open your preferred browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll need to enter your login credentials, typically your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Teams interface where you can engage with your colleagues. Now once you're in, it's time to navigate through the platform. On the left hand side of your screen, you'll see a panel containing various options including your activity feed, chat, Teams, and more. For today's purposes, let's focus on sending a message. Click on Chat in the panel. This will open your messaging interface, showing recent conversations, or allowing you to start a new one. When you want to send a message, you have two choices. You can either select an existing conversation or start a new one. If you choose to send a message to someone specific or a group, use the search bar at the top of the chat panel. Enter the name of the person or team you want to message, select the appropriate contact or group from the list, and click on it to open the chat window. Now let's get down to composing your message. In the chat window, you'll find a text box at the bottom where you can type your message. Simply click into that box and start typing. Microsoft Teams offers plenty of rich formatting options to enhance your message. You'll find tools to bold, italicize, underline, and even highlight text. If you want to add even more flair, consider using emojis, GIFs, and stickers to add some personality and engagement to your conversation. Once you've composed your message, the next step is simple. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Instantly, Microsoft Teams will send your message to the selected individual or group. You can also attach files or documents by clicking on the paperclip icon, which is particularly useful for sharing important documents or presentations. Finally, just a quick note on etiquette. Like any professional correspondence, it's important to keep your messages clear and concise. Remember, Microsoft Teams also allows you to edit messages after they've been sent. Simply hover over your message, click on the three-dot menu that appears, and select Edit if you need to make any changes. So that's it, a straightforward process to send messages and enhance your communication in Microsoft Teams. With this skill in hand, you'll be reaching out and getting responses in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.